we want to take a moment to welcome back the 2025 State Runner-Up Division I Volleyball Team. These ladies ended the season as Greater Cleveland Conference District and Regional Champions. They won their state semifinal match versus Olentangy Orange before falling in 3 sets versus Cincinnati Seton in the state championship. Join me in congratulating number 1, Olivia Skolsky. Number 2, Addie Keeper. Number 3, Audrey Van Huss. Number 4, Sam Rafferty. Number 5, Claire Cavell. Number 6, Anna Cassidy. Number 7, Melody Garrett. Number 8, Addie Zahn. Number 9, Natalie Ritchie. Number 10, Kaden McKinney.